Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to check your complete transaction history on the Exness app using your iPhone or Android device. If you want to review your deposits, withdrawals, or previous account activity, follow these simple steps. First, open the Exness app on your phone and log into your account. From the main screen, tap the three dots menu located in the top left corner. Now, from the menu, select Transaction History. You will see your transaction history page. To check transactions from a specific period, tap the calendar icon at the top of the screen. Choose the date range you want to review by selecting the start date and the end date. After selecting your preferred period, tap Set Date. The app will automatically refresh and display all your transactions during that selected period, including your account activity details. And that's it. You can now easily check your complete Exness transaction history anytime directly from your mobile app. If this video helped you out, leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.